Yes, this is the wig we will be reviewing, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey, what's up, boss babes, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing a Luvme hair affordable luxury wig. So shout out to them and thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Let's get into this unboxing. Here's the wig. I will talk about that after I go through all of the goodies they've sent. Their hair manual, instructions, more about their company, facts and questions, also a contact me. So very, very useful. Some wig caps, which we can always use. There, oh, look at that. We got some more goodies. You already know me. I love when they send more than just the wig, okay? So they have a Luvme hair accessory, which is cute. OMG, I do not have one of these, and I am so excited that they sent this. One, yes, it's in purple, so that's the color of royalty. Let's get into it. Obviously, it's also the color of their brand, but you know, whatever. I did not have one of these, so I'm super excited. Yes, girl. Yes, work it. They also sent an extra headband, some tweezers, and some hair clips just to get that lace together because you already know. Now let's look at this beautiful baby. Okay, so they sent me a glueless, high density, breathable lace closure wig. It's 20 inches body wave, as you can see. It looks so good. It looks full, but it feels light. She looks so pretty. There is no shedding as I comb my hair through. Like a couple pieces, like one or two, not too many. But that hair, look at that body. Yes. Okay. It is a glueless lace closure, so it's right in the front, as you can see. That HD lace. Under the wig, instead of two combs in the front, they put a headband, which is great because it's flatter. There are a lot of combs under this wig, so they have two on the side, one in the middle, and one in the back, as well as the drawstring. So this should definitely be secure, ladies. Let's see how she looks with the first put on and not doing any styling or anything to it. The hair does have a couple of already pre-plucked baby hairs in the front, and as you can see, it stops clean right here, so you'll definitely have to work your baby hairs and how you style it, just because it's not a full lace wig. But the first put on is really pretty. The hair is not too shiny. It is straight up top and then wavy at the bottom, so we're gonna definitely style her and put some curls and pluck it. But I wanted you all to see how she looks before I started styling it. And yeah, let's get into it. First, start with tinting the lace. I'm gonna go over it twice. I use the medium colored. It takes very well, so I love using this. And then of course, you can always go back over it with your makeup. Definitely check out the description section for all of the details of any product that you see me using in this video. Now we're gonna go over through some baby hairs. I'm not gonna do too much because I'm more so just focusing on the front part and just kind of plucking it and making it look as natural as possible. That's the goal, not to look as wiggy, okay? Don't let it be too wiggy. So I love using my wig stand that I got this year. Comes in so much handy. So again, all of the details for the wig and the products will be in the description section. The plucking took about 10 minutes, the middle and also the front. And now we're going to spray some heat protecting over the hair so I can go ahead and kind of bring it down some with my curler just to kind of part the C's. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of make the part look more natural, get the hair more tamed. As you see, it looks so much better once you have the spray on there and you've done some plucking. The goal is to look again as natural as possible. So we're gonna just go ahead and cut off the lace. The part that I just pointed at was like this very hard part of the lace. So this wig, be mindful on the two sides that you have to really cut that part off. It's like the holding part of the lace, I guess you would say, but you don't want it to be too visible because it didn't take my color well, and it's something as you can see right there on the side. Once the hair go down, you won't see it, but make sure you cut that part off. So I decided to I'm not the best at my baby hair, so I'm going to cut this part short. I just make them look cute enough, but at the end of the video you'll see I decided to not even have baby hairs. It was just too cute without the baby hairs. So yes, the entire wig came 20 inches. So unless you're gonna just wear it straight and that's how you prefer your curls, then you don't have to put layers in it. But because I definitely want some flow and bounce, it's important to throw some layers in your hair. So this is the method and how I loosely layer my hair. I usually start the cutting where I want the curl to be, and that's usually a little below my eye level. We're gonna go ahead and throw some curls in her. She's already nice and wavy, which I love, but I definitely want to go ahead and give it more body and more definition now that I've layered it, now that I've combed it out. If you don't know how to curl your hair, the best thing I would say is to sit down. Yes, watch a YouTube video, but the most important thing is get comfortable with this heating tool at 350 to 400 degrees in your hand, and then learn the motion. So learn how you want the curl to look, how you want to style it, and then how you want to loosely curl it, or if you want to tightly curl it. There are levels to curling. There's not just one specific way. I usually like mine's going flipped backwards. This part, I really just wanted to show you all how beautiful and natural this hair looks. Like, I have no product other than the heating protector, and I think I use some olive oil spray, and that's it, and it just looks so good and so full. So this is, I'm just showing you basically what I was talking about earlier, just kind of like keeping it tight. I like to put mine flipped backwards, but I want to make sure that it has a little bit of drop, not too like bouncy right at the part of my forehead, but I want the curl to be more so like my eye level or a little bit lower. So you're gonna see once I let it loose how it looks. As you can see, I can totally layer my hair a little bit more or just curl it a little bit tighter. And that's what I do later on in the video. I like to do my curls tight because I know throughout the day they're going to drop. So that's how I typically do it. And this is the finished look, but you'll see in the next clip what happens. Hey babes, so I had to reshoot the ending of this video because when I went to go edit, it just wasn't the best footage. I'm not sure if I didn't put it on 4K or something, but here we are again. I did the same curling method, but I did them a little tighter just so it had this bounce. And I decided not to go with baby hairs because it looks naturally beautiful like this. And honestly, to me, the point of a glueless lace wig is so that you can put it on and go about your day. Obviously, if you want to style it, boom shakalaka. But the fact that it looks good just like this, I'm okay with it. The choice is always yours. But what do you all think about this hair? To be honest, this wig is top tier soft. The softness, I just want to run my hands through it. It is so like, it just feels so good. Okay, like it just feels amazing. I'm gonna mess my curls up. But yes, don't forget, you all get a discount code for this weave if you're looking for a glueless lace wig that's body wave. Take advantage of it if you can. It is a beautiful wig to keep, especially when you're just on the go and you want a cute casual look. And for me, that's something I'm really big about. Like, I just need a quick, nice lace wig that I can just refresh, redo, and it still looks bomb. And this is definitely that. So don't forget to take advantage of the discount code. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Show your girl some love. Drop in the comment section what you rate this wig. And if you've used them before, let me know your thoughts about them. Mind you, I'm only speaking from this wig. I can't speak on every other wig from the company, but this one is pure soft beauty, and it's so full but yet so light. Like, those are my top two compliments on this wig. It takes heat very well. I only used this olive oil spray just to give it a little shine, and it looks beautiful. Like, glory to God, like it came out amazing. So if you are subscribed to my channel, hey, welcome back. Turn on your notifications so you know when your girl uploads another video, and we're pushing content out. I hope you all are enjoying all of the videos that I'm doing. If it's beneficial for you, I know I do skincare here, I know I do hair, and I also like to do talks where I talk about a topic. Stay tuned for all of the different content that I have for you, and I just thank you all for joining me on this journey. So until next time, stay bossy, blessed, and beautiful. God bless you. Later.